Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. In this video, we're going to talk about the troubling report from the Daily Trust newspaper on the alleged killing of Nigerian soldiers by Boko Haram, which is really troubling, and what the government can do to ensure that this kind of situation does not continue. But first of all, we have to give kudos to our men and women in uniform who does all kinds of things to ensure that you and I can be able to live in peace and security in Nigeria. Many of them are in the bushes, facing the bandits, facing the terrorists, facing all kinds of non-state actors, so that we all can have peace. We thank them for their sacrifice, and we pray that this country will be more peaceful in this new year. Now that gets us to the troubling report by the Daily Trust. And the report said that 4 days after Boko Haram terrorists overran a military base in Damba local government area of Borno State, many soldiers are still unaccounted for. Credible sources told Daily Trust. According to the report, the Boko Haram fighters in their large numbers carried out the attack around 4 p.m. on Saturday at the forward operating base, Sabongeri area. Now, this report was made by the Daily Trust, and you can see that from the intro, Daily Trust said for 4 days that the military authorities had not said anything about it, the government had not said anything about it, and that even the Borno state government had not said anything about it. In other words, because of that kind of silence, that, when you don't communicate, it can lead to all kinds of speculations of what happened. But the report, if you read the report, you see that the report was detailing the sophisticated weapons, including drones, that these terrorists allegedly use in carrying out their operation and in overrunning a military base. Now, which brings us to the issue of why is this terrorists persisting? What is their motive? Who are the people behind them? Remember the other time, the president of Niger, the military leader of Niger, accused France of being behind some of these things, allegedly. And he was talking about the kind of sophisticated weapons, all these drones and stuff. I don't think that drone is something you can get over the shelf. So there must be some countries who are bent on destabilizing Nigeria and the Sahel region that is responsible for it. That's the reason why there is a need for more investigation in that allegation that was made by the military leader of Niger Republic. Unfortunately, the National Assembly that's supposed to investigate some of the allegations are not likely to do so because, in the allegation the man made against France, he also made an allegation against the president of Nigeria. I think that now modeled the whole thing, that nobody wants to be seen to be investigating the president of Nigeria. I think that's where the danger is. But the point is that there's a need to study how, for Boko Haram to be operating to this level up to this time, it means there must be a foreign power behind it. or foreign powers behind this group. Who are they? Unless we can be able to identify them, we may not be able to sort out this problem totally. We need to know the countries and how, and then be able to call them out. Nigerian government call them out and embarrass them internationally until they stop. This is very important, because if you look at, you need to read that report. You need to go and read it in details. How it was a very detailed report by the Daily Trust. Of course, because of that report, the military was not happy with that report, I believe. They were not happy with that report. Because if you read the report of the Daily Trust, you are talking about large number of soldiers that were allegedly killed. Because Daily Trust was talking about that in that base, they have about 110 soldiers or thereabout. Okay? And that about half of them are unaccounted for. But when the military in Abuja reacted, apparently because of that report by Daily Trust, the military itself claimed that it's about only 6 soldiers that were killed or thereabout, and that's the soldiers killed the terrorists more than the soldiers that were killed. About 6 soldiers or so lost their life, according to the official reports from the defense headquarters. Okay, and that they killed most of the terrorists, about 30 something, over 30 of them, of the terrorists were killed, according to the defense headquarters. Okay, but many are saying that the defense headquarters may not have reacted if Daily Trust had not come up with that report. It was actually a reaction to that Daily Trust. That's what many people believe, that statement by the defense headquarters was in response to the report by Daily Trust, which now brings us to the question of communication on time. That is, I know that the military, they frequently give update, monthly update, weekly update, even daily update when there is a need for it. But like Daily Trust pointed out, 4 days nobody has said anything. That was why Daily Trust carried on with their own report based on the sources, report they got from sources in Borno State. So there's a need for constant communication between the Nigerian people and the defense headquarters, so that people will know what is really going on in all the war zones or the terrorist zones where the military are deployed to fight terrorists and bandits and what have you. Okay, but my takeaway in this matter is that it is now left for you to judge. Who do you think has the correct number? The defense headquarters or the Daily Trust? What do you think? Who do you think is telling you what really happened in Damba local government at that military base in Sabongeri area of that local government? What really happened? Do you think that the defense headquarters have told you all that should be told, or that it is the Daily Trust that had the real information? What do you think? Let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.